It is way past time to organize some leftovers, so that's what we're doing today. Hey y'all, it's Taylor from Tattoo Teacher Plans. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are working on organizing all of this stuff and putting it into my little leftovers book. I've had this one for a while. It's from Once More with Love. I really like the ones from Sadie's Stickers if you are looking for some kind of book like this. I already have it organized, and I will leave some other leftovers videos down in the description if you want to watch some more. There's a whole segment of the internet that loves this so much, and I get you, I feel you, you are my people. So I want this to be just relaxing a bit, and I'm just here to work, and hopefully it entertains you as well. So the way that I have this leftovers book set up, this is my stack of leftovers, going all the way back to pretty much last October. So usually I try to do these every 6 months, and I got behind. Okay, so I have just random deco here, and then I have shops set aside with certain pages. So I've got the Crafty Banana, Once More with Love, Fox and Cactus, Baba Bear. I had bought a bunch of samplers. I love these so much. They're very niche though. It's kind of hard to use these, but they're so cute. And then I've got Coffee Monsters Co. and Fox and Pip. And then I go into my colored icons. So I've got red, pink, orange, yellow, teal, green, blue, purple, and black or neutral. And then I have just some scripts along with flight trackers, which a lot of kids don't have these anymore. So I don't know if I'll find any of these, but we'll look. And then habit trackers, because every once in a while I like to use one of those. And then we've got canceled, rescheduled. Nope, a lot of kids don't have these as well. So I'll keep an eye out, but I'm not really that hopeful that I'll find those. These, I'm not really collecting checklists right now, but I have pages for them. Movie marquees, these I like to use sometimes, so if a kid has them, I grab them. And then I've got quarter boxes, and then we go into half and third boxes, which have kind of taken up the last part of the book. So my system is not perfect, but it works for me, and it's fine. It's worked pretty well. Now, what do I do with the leftovers when I'm done going through them? I give them to my sister, and then she picks what she wants out of them. So I kind of have a place for my leftovers to go to a good home, and I know that she'll use what she wants. So I feel like that's a good system for us, because I buy all the stickers and she gets little perks here and there. Now I also have this little, it's covered in fur because this felt collects cat hair, but I've got random stuff in here along with samplers and stuff. There's all kinds of little things in here, and I just need to go through this as well and just clean it out because there's definitely some stuff in there that just needs to be put away. So that is the plan for this video. I'm going to start with this stack and then we'll move to this one. So let's get started. Okay, so we have gone through this big old stack of leftovers. I am really ruthless with how I do that. I only keep things that I think I'm actually going to use, so I feel good about that. But I have a bunch of stuff around my desk that needs to be put away because it has just randomly been put somewhere, or like I've cleaned out a part of my desk and there's just all this stuff. So I need to put this stuff away, so I'll be right back and then we'll work on some more. Okay, now that that's done, we can work on this little bin. There is a lot of stuff in here. Some of it is like journaling cards like this. Some are things that I was too lazy to put away. And I have a ton of samplers in here. Some of this I just need to get rid of, and some of it I need to just use. We shall see. Okay, so let me work my way through this really quick, and I'll see you on the other side. Okay, we are done. I have my book all updated. I didn't keep a whole lot this time because I really am trying to downsize on my collection and everything. I'm trying to keep it really functional. If you are curious about my sticker organization, I did that a couple of years ago, and I will leave that playlist down in the description. It took a lot of work, but it's totally worth it, and it's worked for me for, yeah, like I said, 2 years, 3 years. I can't even remember when I switched that. I need to update like all of the little labels, and they're all like crooked for some reason. But for real, this has been really, really good. I just keep it on a cart, like the top shelf of a little rolling cart right by my desk, and I can grab them whenever I need them. So I feel like today was productive. I got a lot done. I feel like I can now bag all of this up for my sister, and she will have a little present to go through. And at the same time, I will feel a little bit more organized, and my office will feel a little bit better. I usually switch out the little card, but I don't have another one to replace it because I really haven't been doing a ton of sticker orders lately. So we're going to keep this one. I like it anyway. This is from Lights Planner Action. Stay light, stay bright. I love that so much. But yeah, this little book has been very helpful in my monthly spreads because I switched to using my monthly this year again, and it's just been super functional. So for example, this is my makselife planner. So this is my second planner of the year, so we're going to go to July. So I pulled a ton of little stickers and stuff from my leftovers book. So it's just been really, really helpful. It's been great. And I love having little icons available, little boxes that I can use, all kinds of stuff. So it's been good. And I just enjoy using my leftovers. I don't feel as wasteful, even though I know a lot of people will view this as wasteful, and it is. But this is also my hobby. It's like basically my only hobby, and I feel like you can invest in your hobby if you want to. So to each their own. If you enjoyed watching me organize all of my leftovers, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. I do lots of planning, lots of goal work, and I share my life as a teacher in Texas. So stick around if you would like, and share this video with somebody you think might like it. And I'll see you next time. Bye.